And we're back to learn Photoshop in the year day 194. Let me show you the dry brush filter. We have it under filter, filter gallery. It's the third option in this window, artistic. Let me zoom out, holding Alt, and then I use the mouse wheel. You can also find it via the drop down right here, that's alphabetically ordered. It has 3 ways to adjust it. We have the brush size, brush detail and texture. Brush size simply controls the size of the simulated brush strokes. The detail is for adjusting the level of detail. So the higher it goes, the more you bring back, the lower you go, the less details you have. And then we have a texture. So there's always a texture applied to the image. If you go very high, it's going to get more abstract. Then we bring the original back and we compare that. And this is how you can use the dry brush filter in Photoshop. Hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.